Hey there, so Kaz here again, and today I'm going to walk you through an email marketing case study for a client that is in the pet and well-being industry. So, you're talking dogs, cats, hamsters, that kind of thing. Now, at the moment, when we first kind of spoke to these guys on this project, they were running Facebook ads, which were very expensive, and they had a very, very low customer return rate. Now, evidently, that was a big issue because if you're running ads and people aren't continually buying, your kind of cost per acquisition, or really the value each customer brings, is very low, and that can be very, very problematic if not done correctly. So we ultimately managed to kind of make a big push for these guys on the email marketing front, generating somewhere around the ballpark of $53,000 in monthly sales. That's a very big bump, and evidently, the ROI is there. And some of the ways that we did that was, of course, the usual implementation of various flows like cross-sell, upsell, stuff like that, which is something you use typically more for recurring kind of focus, i.e. get people who have bought to buy again kind of thing, on top of the traditional abandoned variations, VIP flows, birthday flows, all that kind of good stuff basically. But what was quite important for this client is to have a consistent basis of campaigns, right? Newsletter type emails that push offers, ideas, and education across to the customer. And obviously that's segmented between each type of customer, right? You don't want to email somebody who hasn't bought in, let's say, 6 months, too many emails, so they don't actually eventually leave your list. So with that considered, we managed to generate this client another 20% of revenue on top, evidently split between the flows and campaigns. This worked out really well across the board, and we managed to ultimately, which is kind of the key KPI for this project, increase the customer return rate from 9% all the way to 16%. So it was almost doubling the customer return rate just through email alone. Of course, further that, we implemented remarketing and stuff like that. And yeah, let's make this your project. If you have any questions, feel free to just pop them below, and I'm sure I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.